How to make a survey form in Google Forms. In order to do that, since Google Forms doesn't have a mobile application, you have to open your browser and then search for Google Forms. Then this first page will appear. Simply open this first page from Google Docs. Now, if you haven't logged into your Google account, just simply try logging in, and after logging in, this page will appear. Now from here, you can do a whole bunch of things. You can try all of the other features, but I am going to tell you strictly how to make a survey form. Now, first of all, title your form. Just simply title your survey and then provide a description for the form in this description section. Just simply enter a sweetly description for your form, and then you have to enter the question, and this is the most important part. For example, let's name it question number 1. Now you can place your question in place of this. Now after that, you can add pictures if you want, and you can add options for your question. For example, option 1, option 2, and option 3. And if you don't want to give option to your respondents, you can add this other section. Into the other section, your respondents can write a little sentence instead of picking options. Now, a survey form have to consist more questions than one. Now, in order to do that, tap to this plus button and more questions will be added. For example, let's name it Q2, meaning question 2. You can enter your second question and similarly add option and add other section. You can also change the page, manage the text size, insert image, and a whole bunch of other options. And after doing this much, you just simply have to tap into this button and tap to publish. After this, your form will be public, and you just simply need to copy this link right here, and after copying this, you can send it to your respondents and your survey form is ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.